The Harold Porter Botanical Garden is a hidden natural gem relatively near to the bustling metropolis of Cape Town in South Africa. To reach the garden, drive on the R44 from Gordons Bay and enjoy some of the most beautiful sea views of the unspoiled, rugged South African coastline that appears almost the same as when Bartolomeu Dias saw it hundreds of years ago. When you reach Betty's Bay, turn left onto Broadwith Road. If you reach Jocks Bay, you have gone too far. The garden boasts an array of coastal fynbos, and many birds can be spotted here too. If you take the left path, you will see a forest ecosystem, Dune Ecosystem, and summer flowering plants garden. If you take the right path, you can see Fynbos and Aloes, Restios and Ericas, and Proteas too. Be sure to look out for sunbirds and sugarbirds in the Protea Garden and in the Ericas. The garden has a bookshop, small restaurant, and nursery. It is wheelchair accessible. The area that surrounds the garden is wild and beautiful, and there are some more challenging trails here to be enjoyed. You can also get a glimpse of Disa Kloof Waterfall from the gardens if you follow the trail right to the end. After visiting the gardens, Stony Point Nature Reserve is a stone's throw away. Be sure to check it out so you can see some African penguins.